Commander, to finally identify our traitor, we must obtain the transmission codes of the Chapter Honor Guard. To do so, you must penetrate to the heart of the Bloodraven's firebase and destroy the stronghold of Captain Diomedes. This will trigger an automatic signal from his battle barge, from which I can gain the codes we need. Between us and those codes stand both the Honor Guard and our own brothers from the 3rd and 4th Companies. The entire area is patrolled by our chapter brothers. They will fire on us without hesitation. Only stealth and non-lethal attacks can prevent bloodshed. Diomedes has established a perimeter of satellite bases. Field generators and automated tarantula sentry guns are standard issue for such temporary positions.
Captain Diomedes adheres to the chapter's tactical doctrines. The Codex calls for a tactical feint when a satellite position is destroyed. Nearby forces fall back to a strong firing line, either drawing their attackers into the teeth of bolter fire or calling in artillery. If we destroy the field generators, we can use this to push through the perimeter without killing Bloodravens.
We must find a way to reach that stronghold without killing Bloodravens.
Some Bloodravens have fallen to chaos.
Then we fight and kill those. But to murder those simply doing their duty to Chapter and Emperor, could we ever recover from such an act?
The heretic apothecary Galen is nearby, Commander. We cannot leave a servant of chaos in the Honor Guard. We must confront and expose him, or his evil will continue to infect the Chapter.
Remember, proceed cautiously and target the field generators. We are here to recover data, not kill Bloodravens.
Target acknowledged. Our foes growing.
Fall back to defensive positions.
Now, move forward while the way is clear.
Maintain camouflage, scouts.
Getting cover, brothers.
Maintain camouflage. Noting enemy walker's position. Sending in order to be engaged. Move quickly.
Incoming artillery strike. Clear the target area.
Captured. Save now. Capture. It is in our hands. Save now before the cleansing begins.
Devastator Marines ready for call. Understood. Going there now.
I am moving.
To war.
vigilant. Good soldiers, trying to get a precise count. Moving to the rocks. We are the eyes and ears of every trusted day. I will carry it out.
Incoming artillery strike! Clear the target area!
We are the eyes and ears. There he is.
Hello, brothers. So glad you've come to see me. I've seen you uncovered our mutual friend's meaning message from the Retribution. A foolish mistake. But that is something of a pattern with blood ravens, I suppose. Shall I kill you now?
This is Avitus.
On the attack. The foe is engaging at range.
You fight well. But do not fool yourself into thinking I am the only one who's seen the path of chaos. Thank you. Demon has lurked with me for too long. You must warn Diomedes. The brothers of his retinue, they serve chaos as well.
And Diomedes himself, has he fallen?
No. But his pride blinds him.
To preserve the chapter. You abandon our worlds to the Black Legion. You surround yourself with heretics like Galen.
Do not lecture me, Sergeant. I follow the orders of our chapter master, Kyrus. You are the only heretics I see here.
Have Kyrus and Galen told you of their time on the Judgment of Carrion, Captain? Have they shared stories of the deaths of their brothers? Or the demonic voice of Ulker that plagued them?
Ulker? Where did you hear that name?
From Galen, Captain.
Go from here.
Commander, I have recovered the codes we needed.
So, who is the traitor?
The decoding rites needed to identify him are not yet complete. The codes did allow me to uncover additional data from the Judgment of Carrion, however. I believe I know where the Black Legion's true base of operations is hidden on planet Aurelia. The Honor Guard's codes unlocked a great deal from the Judgment of Carrion's logic engine. This record from Apothecary Galen seems especially relevant.
Librarian Kyrus grows more morose by the hour. He is a mighty asset against the things lurking in this ancient space hulk, but he does little to keep our faith strong. At morning prayers he recounted a great battle on a lost world named Aurelia. A terrible demon beset this planet and summoned mighty warp storms. Blood Ravens faced the demon in a terrible battle at a chapter keep. This should have inspired us all, but Kyrus made it a tale of woe. He described his brothers dying one by one to bind this demon, but called their sacrifice pointless. The fiendish creature, he said, was yet free, and somehow, even before Kyrus mentioned it, I knew this creature's name. Old Care.
A demon bound in the keep on planet Aurelia. Surely Eliphas seeks its release.
I share your thoughts, Librarian. I can locate the keep's remains if we return to Aurelia.
Here, 1,000 years ago, in this place, Moriah, mightiest of the Blood Ravens, battled the great Old Care. With his dying breath, did Moriah stab at the heart of the Great One. What none could slay, he wounded. And so, noble Moriah died, with only his student Kyrus left to mourn him. Weakened, the Great One could not resist Kyrus. The hated student bound and shackled Ulker. Now, that bondage ends. As promised, Great One. Oh, rise, little Eliphas. I remember our bargain.
Commander, the ancient logic engine has done its work.
Use them to ambush my battle brothers like you did with the distress signal, and our agreement is over. Angelos has us charging around the sector on the Retribution. You must get Diomedes to put a leash on Angelos.
I am not the only one who will be discovered if it comes to that. Do you understand me, Galen? Knowledge is power, as you were also fond of saying.
Thaddeus, what have you done?
He has left the Retribution, Commander. His drop pod is headed for the surface.
So young to bear the burden of a space marine.
He will grow no older, Librarian.
Commander, there is a recorded message waiting from Thaddeus.